So recently, I came across the Oppo Enco W11 True Wireless Earbuds, and to be honest, at 2800 shillings, they were really cheap and not as expected. So I decided to buy them and check them out to see if they are good deal or just average. So hey guys, welcome to Tech. I'm Milan and today I'll be doing a review of the Oppo Enco W11 earbuds. I hope you enjoy.
So straight out of the box, you get the earbuds case, a USB Type-C cable, ear tips that come with different sizes, I think small, medium and big, I'm not sure, and papers with warranty information. The thing that I liked most immediately after opening the box was the USB Type-C cable, which is amazing, and compared to its price, that was a really good deal.
So the earbuds, they fit nicely within the case, and the case is really light. It's actually light, hence even when you carry it in your pocket, it can't bother you. It doesn't have that much weight. The case also has magnets where the earbuds can stick nicely in it without falling off. Even when you bend them like this, they can't fall off because they have been attached to the case with the magnets. It also closes with a satisfying snap that I really enjoyed. As you can listen to this, I can do this all day because this I really enjoyed this. So also the case has an LED light here at the front where it shows you the battery capacity of the case. When you remove the earbuds, it shows the battery capacity of the case. Then when you enter the earbuds, it shows the battery capacity of the earbuds using these LED lights. So the earbuds themselves, they don't have that LED light, only the case is the one that has it. So the earbuds themselves, they are touch sensitive, which is a good thing as it makes it easier to control what you're listening to even if you're at a distance from your device. So when you double tap on the right side, you skip to the next track. When you double tap on the left side, you go back to the previous song. Then when you tap on either side, you just tap once on either side, the song pauses or the track pauses. When you tap again, it continues to play. Then there is also this feature that I liked. When you triple tap, it whenever if it's connected to your device, when you triple tap the earbuds, it goes directly to Google Assistant and you can give it orders or whatever you want to say to it. And also when you tap and hold on the right side, the volume is increased. Then when you tap and hold on the left side, the volume is decreased. So they also connect with Bluetooth 5.0, which is faster and can connect also further than previous Bluetooths. So immediately when you open the case, and let's say your phone, you've turned on your phone Bluetooth, then you immediately open the case, it connects within, let's say, 2 to 3 seconds. So that time, it's really efficient for me. They also have an IP55 water and dust resistance, which is better than its counterparts at the same price, but I've not yet tested it, so I can't really comment on that. So this is me working with the earbuds. As you can see, they fit quite well, and they can't even fall. Yes, even when I shake my head, they enter well, and unlike some cheap earbuds. Also, even when I try running, as you can see, they're not falling down. Yes, so even when you're being chased by dogs, you can still run while listening to music. Music like that one for Mission Impossible or whatever. Now, on to the sound quality. I found them to be really good compared to others that I have used. The bass was enhanced, and in general, it was a pleasant experience. It also has noise cancellation, where the noise from the surroundings doesn't affect the user that much. During phone calls, noise cancellation was even better, and it's really clear as no one whom I talked to through the phone even complained about the sound quality or anything. So everything is good when it comes to noise, when it comes to talking to the phone. So the only major problem that I had with the earbuds was during gaming. When I played God Mobile with them on, there was a lag in the sound, hence the experience wasn't that awesome. And the sound quality wasn't also good. So I'm not sure if the problem was at that particular moment, or it's always there in all games across, since I didn't try it with any other game. So for gaming, I'd like to say that this is not the best choice. If you want earbuds for gaming, I'd say you look for its counterparts from Redmi or Realme or even Oppo W31. I think they are better options and they are also cheap. So my verdict on the earbuds is they're really good. They're above average and they passed my expectations. So if you've never used wireless earbuds and want to get into that, I'd advise you start with this since they are cheap, and I guarantee you that you'll have a great experience. Thanks for your time, and I appreciate it if you liked and subscribed for more videos like this. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you.